Food Order and Train is a web application project. So this project will show you in ASP.NET with C# language with the backend as SQL Server. Here it's a very challenging project because so you need to track the train based on the train movement. So in a particular station you're supposed to get the food. So let's understand the whole concept, how you can make this project, how the whole project works. So here the two concepts, one is train movement and the next one is a food order. So where is a nearby restaurant from whom you can place an order, so therefore you can get the food from the corresponding restaurant. So let's understand the project details. So as I told already, it's a challenging because it will have two concepts here. So one train movement, that is train schedule. So it means that you are traveling in a train. So this train go from A place to B place. So along the route you get C and D places. Right. So assume that it take around 2 days to travel from A to B, and you're going to reach C and then you're going to reach D. So meanwhile you also some more places C, D, E, F. Okay. So there is a naming. Okay. So now at that particular point C, it's around lunch time. So you're supposed to get lunch. So we all know in train we provide they provide you lunch, but they're not so good. So therefore you want to get the food from the outside. So therefore there is a restaurant here, restaurant R1. So you can place the order with them. So therefore when you reach the particular um, station, so they'll serve the food for you. So this is the overall concept. Therefore when you're traveling or from A to B, so on the way on the route there are restaurants. So let's say R2 restaurant. You can place an order. So therefore you can get the dinner here. So here you want breakfast. So this is the R3 restaurant. So not only R3, there are some more restaurants from whom you want to buy. So you can select the restaurant and then place an order. So therefore that particular restaurant will deliver the food for you. So this is the overall concept of the project. So let's see the demo, then probably you'll get a more idea. So how the whole project works. So in case if you have any project requirement or you require a customized project for your business, please contact us. Now I'll show the demo in Visual Studio. So here we have in Visual Studio. So this is the admin main page. So you can see that a lot of options are there in the admin main. So it is the station name, train details, train schedule, train stop place details, category details, restaurant details, product details. Product is a food product, okay. And then FAQ entry and then order list and the payment list and the order list restaurant wise, okay. Which restaurant get the so what order. So all the these are the options are provided in the admin. Same way from the customer side, you have a customer main page. So customer can see the category, product list, restaurant list, FAQ, and they can place an order here. So by clicking this, they can place an order. So now we'll run the project. So therefore you'll understand the concept. So this is the main page of the website. So you can click here to continue. So click. So here is the admin login. So this is the restaurant and the customer login and the admin login here also. So okay, we can go to admin login first. So here are the options. So place list, what are the places? Bangalore, Mysore. So we written some places. So you can write more places here. So then next is the train detail, train list, Rani Chennamma Express. Okay, there is one train is here. Schedule list, when this will go from what time to what time. So that list is there. And again it's coming back from Mysore to Bangalore. The train schedule list is there. Okay. So we can do the scheduling here. Train number, train name, from place to place. So you need to enter more to from one two places. Therefore, you can have options here to select that one. So next is the stop. Where all it stop? Okay, so it stop Mandya, then Bangalore, Mysore. So all the details are provided over here. So where are the stops actually? So next is the product details. What are the products? Okay, the details we can enter here. So I just go to list. So what are the one is already entered. Let's see product list. So pizza, South Mill, so both are entered, but we can keep on enter more data here via product details. So here is a FAQ list, then order list. Okay, there are a lot of orders here. Fine. So now what you can do is we can go as a customer and place an order here. So click here and then click customer. Fine. So customer can view, then they can go to list here. So select the place and restaurant, select the train number. So this is 101. So place, it's my India, we want to get the lunch. There are no restaurants there. So Mysore, there is a hotel Blue Star. So from them we can buy the food. Okay. So for example, if you select Mandya, there are no restaurants here. So therefore you need to enter the restaurants on the admin side. So here is a Mysore. So we can select this, and these are the foods available with them. So therefore we can select the food North Meals. So there is no number North Meal here. Okay. So here is a South Meal. We can select this. So what are the things you'll get? That is there. And here is the quantity. How many quantities you required? 4. So you can place an order here. So now order is done. So there is a 4 and then 200 rupees totally. Confirm the order. Then how do you make the payment? Debit card, Visa or MasterCard, card number, card CVC number, customer name. So this is a train number and a coach number. What is the coach? This is S7 and seat number 22. So therefore they can come to this particular coach and the particular seat number, they can deliver the food. Fine. So now if I go to the order list, so we can able to see that new order. So admin can able to view it. So payment list. So there is a payment list here. So you can also see the restaurant wise. Okay. So this Blue Star restaurant, so they get the order here. So even restaurants are given login. So therefore you can go to restaurant login here, and the corresponding restaurant will have the corresponding code. So they need to log in via their code, and here is the password, and then you can log in here. So you can see that restaurant get the order here. So therefore they need to deliver this to the customer, and they can log out. So therefore 3 modules. So one is for the admin, one is for the user, one is for the restaurant. So 3 should communicate properly. So therefore on running, so on a running train, so you can place an orders in the particular station, so you will get the food. So this is the main concept of this idea, this project. So it's working fine. So therefore you need to understand the whole concept and then you have to try. So for more videos, please go to iBlix tutorials, and then if you click on videos, so here you have a multiple project videos, and we also explain like how to make the project step by step in a different videos. So please watch them. From that you can learn how to make the projects. Thank you.